Assalamu alaikum. As a product designer, often I have to rename a design file. Now, if you rename a design file from Windows, then the link between the file and its parents, such as assembly or drawing, will be get broken. Let me show you an example. Let me open this assembly file. You can see that the assembly file has been opened successfully along with its parents. Now, let me close this design file and rename this part file. Let's call it only pen. Now, if I open this assembly once again, you can see it's showing error. And the assembly file can't load its child cooling fan because the cooling fan part has been renamed to fan. As a reason, the assembly file is unable to find its child. So let me close this window once again and put this part name back. You can see that if you rename a design file from Windows, then the link between the design file and its parents will get broken. Now, to solve this problem, SolidWorks has introduced a nice option. If you right-click on a SolidWorks file, then there will be a SolidWorks context menu. If you rename the part through that context menu, then the link between the part and its parents, such as assembly or drawing, will not be get broken. Rather, it will be updated automatically. Now, there is no easy way to do that in Siemens NX. Therefore, I thought to develop a program that will solve the problem, and it will rename the design file just like that of SolidWorks. Now, you can download the program from my GitHub page, which is github.com/nahidmubin. Go to this page and click on this link, Siemens NX file rename. Then click on this code and then click on this download zip option. And then the whole repository will be downloaded into your computer. I have downloaded the file already and placed it in my desktop. Now, extract the file. Now, open the extracted folder. Then open the nested folder. And here are several files. This file, rename NX file, and rename NX file for older versions are the program, which is actually .exe file. Now, this program, rename NX file, is the recommended one. But if you are using NX other than NX 1953 version, then there is a high chance that this program file may not work. In that case, use this program file, which is rename NX file for older version. But the problem with this program is that renaming tasks in this program will be painfully slow. Therefore, I don't recommend this program. But if you don't have any other option, then you may use this. But this program will work surely. Now, I will show you how to use this program, rename NX file. First of all, copy this program file and place it in a suitable place. I will put this into my C drive. So go to C drive and Let me paste it here. Okay. Now you can run this program by simply double clicking on it. So double click on the program file and it will open a window, which is this. Now browse for the file, which is the NX file that you want to rename. Let's say I want to change the name of this cooling fan design file to fan. So open this file and give it a name. Let's say fan. Okay. Now press OK. You will see that the file was successfully renamed to fan. So let's press OK and let us go to the design files folder. You can see that the cooling fan file has been renamed to fan. Now let us open the assembly file. You can see that the assembly file has been loaded successfully without any error. And you can see here that the renamed file has been loaded. So this is the simplest way to use this program. Now let's close this window and let us now add this program to our right click context menu. To do that, we have to edit the registry editor. So press Windows button and then R button, type regedit and press OK. And your registry editor window will be open. Then expand this HT local machine folder. Then expand this software folder. Then expand this classes folder. Now look for NX part file type. Sorry, NX part file. So find this and expand this. Now expand this shell. Now right click on this shell and click on new and then click on key and give it a name. Rename NX file. Press enter. Now right click on this rename NX file folder, then new, then key and type command and press enter. Now double click on this file default and then type here the path of our program file. In my case, I can right click on the program file and click on properties and click on the security tab, and this is the path of this program. So let us copy it and press OK. Now type here the path of the file which I have copied. So let me paste it and paste it in quotation marks, inside quotation marks. So let me insert the quotation mark and paste it. So let me check it. Is everything okay? Seems okay. Then at the end of the path, add a space. Then again type in quotation mark. Then type %1. Again quotation mark. Now press OK. So minimize this Now go to your design files folder. Now let's say I want to rename this design file from fan to cooling fan. So I can right click on this design file, and you can see here is a context menu, rename NX file. Click on this and our program will run, and our program have run with the name of the design file that we want to rename. Now let us give it a new name. Let's call it cooling fan. Now press on OK button. You can see the file was successfully renamed to cooling fan. So press on OK button. Now let us open this assembly. You can see that the design file or assembly file has been loaded successfully along with its children, and the part fan has been renamed to cooling fan, and it also has been loaded successfully without any problem or error. So this is how you can use this program to rename NX file easily. Now minimize this NX software. Then let us go back to the downloaded folder where our program file is located. Now you can see in the folder that you have downloaded, there are two Python files, rename NX file and rename NX file for older version. So if you want to update the program or edit the program or add a feature to the program, then you can edit these two files, and then you can make your own program. So if you want to make your own program, you can go to my GitHub page and read the documentation there of this program. There is I have mentioned there how to make your own program file or own exe file. So you should check the README file there. Now, to make this program successful, I'm grateful to some persons, and I need to mention them. First of all, the owner of nxjournaling.com, he initially given me some hints. Because of that, I was able to make a plan initially how to make this program and solve the renaming problem. So please visit this excellent site, nxjournaling.com. Here you will find hundreds of journals which may make your task easier, smoother, and faster. So make sure to check this excellent website. Secondly, this blog post, renaming components outside of NX, which is 15 years old blog post by Hakan Son Najilar from Istanbul, Turkey. This post actually is the essence of my program. What I have done is actually automated this post. You can read this post if you are interested. And this blog site have many posts like this, which are really urgent. You can check this post. Finally, if you need any problem regarding Siemens NX, then I would recommend you to go to this site, cngtips.com, and then click on this link Siemens QGNX. Here you will find hundreds and thousands of questions and answers, which is very helpful. And many NX veterans actively participate in this forum, so they may help you if you fall into any kind of problem. So that's all. Use the program, and if you find any problem or any bug in the program, then let me know it by commenting it with a screenshot in my GitHub page. So thank you. Assalamu alaikum.